Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HubSpot lifecycle stages with data validation rules. Quick to verify HubSpot lifecycle stages with data validation rules, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, select Properties. Locate the lifecycle stage property by using the search bar. Click on the lifecycle stage property to open its settings. Review the existing lifecycle stages listed under the options. Next, go to the Data Management section in the Settings menu. Select Data Validation to access the validation rules. Click on the Create Rule button to start a new validation rule. Give your rule a descriptive name related to lifecycle stages. Set the criteria for your validation rule. Use the drop-down menus to select the appropriate conditions based on your needs. Once you've defined your conditions, decide on the actions to take when the rule is violated. You could choose to notify an admin or prevent the lifecycle stage from being saved. After configuring the rule, click on the Save button to finalize your settings. To test the rule, create a new contact or edit an existing one. Watch how the validation rule responds based on the criteria you've established. Make any necessary adjustments to improve accuracy. Repeat this process for any additional validation rules you want to create for other lifecycle stages. Finally, review and monitor the effectiveness of your validation rules regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.